Hi, my name is Chris. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing, excuse me, Codewars 7 Caillou Day of the Year. Instructions are work out what number day of the year it is. So day of the year 1/1/2000. So we're getting an array. The argument passed in the function is an array with the format of day, month, year. So 1/2/2000 would be February 1st, 2000, or 22/12/1999 would be December 22nd, 1999. We have got an edge case that we need to check for leap year. So leap year, if it's a leap year, we have three criteria that define a leap year. The year can evenly be divided by 4. And also, if the year can be evenly divided by 100, it's not a leap year unless the year is evenly divisible by 400. Then it's a leap year. Alright, so we're going to take this array here, and we're going to solve this in CodePen so we can see what the code is doing as we type it. It's just my approach. And there's our variable, our array variable. Now we're going to create a function, call it func. And for now we'll just return array and then console.log func. Now we should see the array in the console. There we go. Beautiful. Alright, so what we're going to do is we are going to, and I'm going to paste this in because it takes some time, but it takes some time to type out and I can make some mistakes, so I'm just going to paste this in there. First thing we're going to do is we're going to create an object variable called months. Alright. And then, oh, what's going on here? Oh, whoops. I messed that up. There we go. Okay. I'm going to return that for now just to make sure everything's cool. Perfect. Alright, so what this is, you know, we have to account for the amount of days based on what month it is, right? So if this month is January, we're not adding any full months, so its value is going to be 0, right? So if the month is February, these are all the months here, sorry. If the month is February 2, since there are 31 days in January, we're going to make the value 31. If the month is 3, which is March, you've got 31 for January, 28 for February, so 31 plus 28 is 59. And then for March, you know, there's 31 days, so you know, you add another 31 to this number, and there you got 90. So that's what this is. What this is doing here, and this is going to help us get the correct day. All right. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and return array.reduce. So we're going to use the reduce method. And in reduce, we're going to give it a total, num, and an index. Yeah, the arrow function. And then we've got to initialize the total here, which is going to be 0. So we're going to do some stuff, and then eventually, oops, we're going to return total. So now we should see 0. Yep, Good. Okay. So we've got this first number here, which is the day of the month, right? So we're going to say if I equals 0, because that is the index, and we've got the index here. The index of day is 0. We're simply going to say total equals total plus equals num. Now we should see 25. There we go. Beautiful. Now we're going to count for the month. So we're going to say else if I equals 1. We're going to say total equals total plus equals months at num. So now we got 359. So what this is doing here is, so we're looking at if total, if I is 1, which is this, an array, we're going to make total plus equals months at num. Since we have a 12, we have a 12. So we've got 334. So we had 25 before, so 334 plus 25 is 359. And finally, we need to check to see if it's a leap year, and if it is, we need to add one more to total. So this is where it gets a little bit tricky. So inside this else statement, we're going to add another if statement. So we're going to say if, and then we're going to put this in parentheses because we're going to say num modulus 400, whoops, not 4,000, equals 0. Hold on a second here. I don't know if I screwed something up. Oh yeah, no, I'm good. Or we're going to create another parentheses, and we're going to say num modulus 4 equals 0, and oops, not that, and num modulus 100 does not equal 0. Then the last thing we need to check for is if we're in the first 3 months, right? And the reason why is if it's a leap year, the extra day is going to be added to March, right? So we also need to say and array I is greater than 2. So now what this is saying is basically if this month is hold on, was that right? Yeah, that's right. So basically we're going to say if the month is before April, I'm saying if excuse me, if the month is after March, it's going to meet this condition as well, because what we're going to do now is we're going to just take total equals total plus equals 1. So if all these conditions are met, the total will go up 1. Alright, I think that should do it. let's go ahead and copy all of this. Let's go back to Codewars, and we're going to paste it inside this function. Now we're going to test, and then attempt. Uh-oh. What did I do wrong here? Expected 28 to equal 27. Let me go back to here. Let's take this. I'm going to copy this. And we've got 28 should be 27. Now what did I do wrong? Not seeing it yet. Okay, because this is going to be January. And it's divisible by 4, right? Just checking with a calculator here. 1. Yep. So the issue is here. Array I. Oh, it's not array I. It's array 1. All right. My mistake, because we, at this point, we were looking at, you know, the second position where we need to check the month to make sure that this is greater than 2. So that needs to be 1, the index 1. All right, and now we should be good to go. Let me change that here. We've got a 1. Let's attempt it. There we go. All right. Well, thanks for watching this video. Please click like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and enjoy the rest of your day.